everybody, welcome back to the channel. Shayna here, and I am so excited to jump into this. I talked about this in my coloring chat, I feel like nonstop, and I am super excited to, I think there's cookie crumbs on there, to go ahead and get into this box. So, I will link down below to this company. This is called Coloring and Classics, and they are, I will have to look and make sure, but they are new to me, a very new subscription box kind of thing to me that popped up on my Facebook and my Instagram. And after like the 5th time of seeing it, I was like, I'm gonna try it out and just see. It was fairly reasonably priced. Again, I did have a discount code that I got off of Instagram and Facebook. So if you see the ad come along, which if you watch this video and then go over to one of those platforms, it'll probably pop up for you because that's how cookies work. Yeah, you get, I believe, in this package a book, a reading book, a coloring book, and a puzzle book. So I am so excited, and there are tiers to these things. So I got, I believe, the least expensive one, I think. I don't remember, we'll find out when I open the box. So the first one has those 3 things, and then I think you get an additional coffee or tea when you order the more expensive box, which I do forget what they're called, but you'll see them in the link. And I forewent that because I'm very particular about my coffee and my tea, so I was like, some of that'll probably go to waste. I don't drink it that fast and I don't need it. So I am pretty sure I didn't do that one, but I guess we'll find out. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and dig in here. I did already just slice open the box. I did not open it and look. So this is a first impressions video. And I did do, I don't remember if I said this, but I did do the 3 months instead of just the 1 because I want to see the variety that they're sending. And I know 3 months isn't like a lot, but it'll give me kind of an idea of the quality and things like that. So let us see. So we have tissue paper all wrapped up. I'm gonna go ahead and lift this up. Oh my gosh, there's a lot more in here than I thought. Okay, so we have our reading book. Putney, a novel by Sofka Zinoviev, and I believe that I picked fiction, acclaimed fiction, I think is the word. So let us see if there is, I have never heard of this book. I don't know if you guys have. Let's see. Okay, so a proactive and absorbing novel about a teenage girl's intoxicating romance with a powerful older man. Interesting. And her discovery decades later that her happy memories are hiding a painful truth. Alright, so as a rising star in the London art scene of the early 1970s, gifted composer Ralph Boyd is approached by renowned novelist Edmund Greensley to score a stage adaptation of his famous work. Welcomed into Greensley's sprawling bohemian house in Putney, I'm not the best at reading out loud, an artistic and prosperous district in southwest London, the musical wonder kid is introduced to Greensley's beautiful activist wife Ellie, his aloof son Theo, and his young daughter Daphne, who quickly becomes Ralph's muse. Ralph showers Daphne with tokens of his affection, clandestine gifts, and secret notes. In a home that is exciting but often lonely, Daphne finds Ralph to be a dazzling companion for many years. When Ralph accompanies Daphne alone to meet her parents in Greece, their relationship intensifies irrevocably. One person knows the truth about their relationship, Daphne's best friend Jane, whose awe of the mesmerizing Greensley family ensures her silence. Decades later, Daphne is back in London. After years lost to decadence and drug abuse, she is struggling to create a normal, stable life for herself and her adolescent daughter. When circumstances bring her back in touch with her long-lost friend Jane, their reunion inevitably turns to Ralph, now a world-famous musician also living in the city. Daphne's recollections of her youth and her growing anxiety over her own young daughter eventually lead to an explosive realization that propels her to confront Ralph in their years spent together. And then it says continue on back flap. Masterfully told from 3 diverse viewpoints. That's really cool. Victim, perpetrator, and witness. Putney is a subtle and enormously powerful novel about consent, agency, and what we tell ourselves to justify what we do and what others do to us. I think this might be kind of a hard read. but it does sound interesting and hopefully well written. So I will let you guys know what I think about this whenever I get to it. All right, and then we have a little eraser that says POW. That is cute. I know you guys can see the coloring book under there and are dying to get to it, so am I. But we'll go through all this first. And then we have, ooh, colored pencils. The box is a little beat up. They are just regular old colored pencils. I'll try to grab a sheet of paper here and scribble on it. We have white, yellow, orange, pink, brown, brownish red that I just pulled out. Looks like an orange, blue, green, maybe a dark blue, probably a purple, a gray and a black maybe. I can't really see. Yeah. So that's fun. So we'll try these. Medici, I don't know. Have any of you guys tried them? I'll have to look them up. I do not know that brand. And then we've got holiday hacks, easy solutions to simplify the most wonderful time of the year. That's fun. So this is not a puzzle book. I guess it's just an edition. I'll have to go back and read the description. I thought they were puzzle books, but I could be wrong. Maybe it's just like little fun books, but this one is definitely fun. Let's see. Easy solutions to, did I say stressful or wonderful? The most stressful time of the year. That's funny. So car gets stuck in the snow. Turn your floor mats upside down under the wheels that are slipping. Oh, I don't have that problem in Florida. So let's see. Deck the halls, food and drink, shopping, shipping, and wrapping. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Something for the kids. Go home for the holidays. Holiday remedies. Emergency holiday de-stress, holiday parties, shedding the holiday pounds, the holiday aftermath. That's kind of fun. I might take this with me when my parents come down, which they will be down now while you guys are watching this, but that's kind of fun. That's like I hate to say it this way, but like a bathroom read. Like, you know how people keep things in their bathroom? That's kind of what that reminds me of, but it's a fun one. I like that. A lollipop, which is super cute. And then we got what we all are wanting to see, which I guess I could try the colored pencils in here. Ruth Heller's designs for coloring snowflakes. Super cute. We'll go ahead and flip through this. Ooh, that's fun. So yeah, we'll go ahead and do a flip through here. Let's close this up. I'm probably gonna get rid of the box because it's quite dusty. But it says Ruth Heller's design for coloring snowflakes, so I'm assuming she's the artist. Got some snowflakes on the front. So these are probably quite like mandalas. That is fun. So Ruth's designs offer stimulating and exciting visual adventure. Each title in the series provides, oh, so she's got a series, an endless variety of fascinating possibilities for exploring forms, shapes, patterns, and colors. That's fun. I do not know Ruth Heller. Do you guys? I like that they're one-sided, so I can use my markers in here. There's some patterns, and then some like mandala-like ones. Yeah, these are interesting. I don't know that I would call them snowflakes. So that was, this is like a repeating pattern of that one. And then that's the same. So that's cool that it's like a zoomed in version and then like a patterny version. Well, I guess not. Not all the way through apparently. Yeah, these are fun. I just don't know that I would call them snowflakes, but they are definitely mandalas. I'm not counting pages, but there's not too many in here. I'd say maybe 30 some. Just from the feel in my hand. Isn't that sad? When you can tell by how heavy a book is about how many pages there are. So yeah, they're fun. I can definitely see myself just coloring in this when I just want to put color down. Some of them are a little similar, which is disappointing, but it happens with books like this, I think. I like this one a lot. This reminds me of flowers. Another big one. And the line art is a combination of like thin and dark. Oh, also, I don't think I said this at the beginning. I am not sponsored or affiliated with this box. I just picked it up because I wanted to try it out and show it to you guys. So I'm not gaining any kind of compensation or anything for doing this. I just wanted to do it. So that is, and apparently it's $6.99 in the US, Snowflakes Coloring Book by Ruth Heller. So let me see, let me break out these pencils. I just wanna, let's grab just the blue one. And just see how they go down on this. They're a lot softer than I thought they were gonna be. I would say they're probably, I thought they were gonna be like Stettler hard. I would say they're probably like about as hard as a Crayola pencil. And I'm just coloring quite sloppily, but yeah. They would be nice, will be nice for like just straight coloring and like my color by number books. Got a message. Oh no. So I think I figured out why I was having issues too with my camera earlier this week. I was getting phone calls. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. That's not why we're here. But let me just finish this little bit. So yeah, they might blend. I'm not sure. But they go down pretty nice. Yeah, they're probably like Crayola type quality, I would say. Now watch them be like really high quality somewhere. But they're nice. It would be like a really fun travel set just to have something to put color down. So yeah, overall I am very pleased. The book is nice. We got pencils, which I wasn't expecting. I guess it comes with an art supply maybe? I'm not sure. Again, I'll have to look because I ordered it and then just kind of, well, I didn't forget about it, but I didn't like do enough research, I guess, before I did this because I was so excited. And then we have our little hack book, which is so cute. I did kind of hope, because I'm pretty sure it's advertised as a puzzle book, for like a crossword or a word search or something, but that's okay because I probably wouldn't end up doing it anyway. And then a little lollipop, which is just a fun little add-in. An eraser, which is super cute. Ooh, should I try to erase that pencil? See what happens with this eraser, just a little bit. I know colored pencils are hard to erase, but it's actually working kind of well. So it's not all gone, but it's significantly faded. I think the eraser would do okay. It's just very awkward in the hand, but you know, it's just a little add-in, so it's cute. And the holiday book, and then our classic book. So this is fun. I'm excited to see what comes in it next month. So I'm gonna go back on because I believe you can change your genre of book each month, but I really like fiction, so I might not change it. I don't remember what all of the genres were. I know there was fiction and nonfiction. I want to say there was like thriller horror too, which I know a lot of you guys are into, but I'm excited to read this one. Don't know when I'll get to it, but hopefully soon. And yeah, I don't know, it's just nice. It's a nice little surprise each month. So we will see what comes in next month. Anyway, I know this was a little different for you guys, but I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I introduced you guys to something new and fun, because I had never heard of this before, and I was like, that's really cool. I love reading and I love coloring, so why not put them together and get something fun? Again, not sponsored, not affiliated. Again, please do not break the bank for something like this. It wasn't the cheapest, it wasn't the most expensive. I think I paid for the 3 months like $43, but then with the code I think it came down to like $39 because it wasn't that much off. So yeah, so it's quite expensive. You can do 1, 3, or I think a whole year. I didn't do the whole year because I wasn't so sure, but we'll see. So yeah, I think this was a fun time. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you all again so much for watching and for all of your support. I love you guys, and I love being able to chat with you guys. So please comment down below what you think of this subscription box. I would love to hear your opinions. Let me know if you end up getting one, and then in turn I would love to hear what you got. So yeah, let me know. And I think that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I love you guys. Stay safe and healthy, and I will talk to you all soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.